art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Garnold from Incredibox Scrumpi. So first we're going to get started with the eye with the outer lens. So on the left hand side we're going to curve this line out, down, and then back in on the bottom. And then we're going to leave quite a big gap coming over on the left, lining that up at the same height, and we're going to replicate that, bringing that out, down, and then back in on the bottom again. Now we're going to close this off on the top and bottom by just connecting this together with a straight line from left to right. And then moving down on the bottom, let's replicate that again. Now we're going to move inside and replicate that. So stepping further in, we're going to curve this out, down, and then in. And then again on the right, bringing that out, down, and then back in again. We're going to close this off on the top and bottom by connecting that together with a straight line. On both sides now we're going to draw in a small arch line, and we'll line that up at the same height and replicate that. Now for the shape of the head, on the top we're going to draw in a dome, so we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to just curve this line now down on the right. Let's come underneath on the left hand side, curving this line around and then in towards the middle. And then again we'll move over on the right hand side, curving this line around and then back in on the bottom. Let's draw in our mouth now. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in, and then leaving a gap, lining that up at the same height. We'll replicate that, curving that back in on the other side. And then again, we're just going to connect this together on the top and bottom with a straight line. Now for the body, on the left hand side, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that gets wider at the base as we come down. We'll do the same thing on the right, bringing this all the way over and then down. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a straight line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw Garnold from Incredibox Scrumpi. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.